Hey guys, welcome back. Today I wanted to create a look using some of the Sephora Sale purchases that I made that I haven't been able to try on yet. Thought it would be fun to do kind of a monochromatic rusty red look. There will be quite a few first impressions in this video since it's a lot of makeup that I picked up and have not been able to use yet. It would mean the world to me if you subscribe, and let's jump into it. Starting off first with the Glow Recipe Strawberry BHA Pore Smooth Blur Drops. It says to use as the last step of your skincare routine for a primer before makeup, allowed to absorb fully. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't know if you're supposed to shake it up, but I did. I'm gonna focus that on the areas that I am the most oily, which is the center of my face. Do I look blurred? It does seem to have blurred my pores a little bit, so that's exciting. For foundation today, I'm going to go in with the Makeup by Mario SurrealSkin foundation, and I'm gonna mix the shades 1C and 4C. Kind of like a 2/3 1C, 1/3 4C kind of situation. I've just been loving how much this foundation makes my skin look and how well it lasts throughout the day. It's really awesome. I've heard some people say that there's shimmer in this product or that the bottle looks shimmery or something, but I mean, I've never seen shimmer before. There's a glow to it, but I wouldn't say it has shimmer. I'm not having a good skin day today. I don't know if it's upset that I used something new or what, but my skin is really not happy today. And I'm so nice to it. So there's with about 1 pump of foundation on the skin. I just think it looks really, really, really pretty. Because once I powder on top, you're still gonna see that like bit of glow that it has, and then it just sets down so nicely. I've really been into it lately. For concealer under the eyes, I'm gonna try this Rare Beauty Under Eye Brightener. I've only used this a couple times, and I really like the applicator because it's like a little cooling wand situation. It feels so nice. It doesn't, you know, color correct the way that I would want it to, but that's not what it's for, so I can't expect it to. I might use my finger instead. See how much brighter this eye looks versus the one I just did with the sponge. Looks way better. Juno says hello. Thanks, Juno. Yeah, so for concealer, I'm gonna grab the Milk Makeup Future Fluid in the shade 6C, and I'm just going to hit the parts of my face that need additional coverage, which would be dark spots and the center of my face where I have more redness. And I'm going to use this as my eye primer as well. I really hope that Milk Makeup comes out with a foundation based on the Future Fluid concealer because I've been using it non-stop, and some days I have used it as foundation all over my face, and I've just loved how it looks. My lips are so dry. I'm going to grab this Clarins lip oil in chocolate and just put a bit of that on for hydration. Next, really excited to use this Kulfi blush. This is the Sandlewood Swirls color of their Mehndi Moment blush. And I'm gonna take a little bit on the back of my hand, just like that. I'm gonna spread it around on the back of my hand and then pick it up with the bottom of this e.l.f. sponge that's like dipped in silicone. It looks so pretty. Oh yeah, yeah, I like that, okay. Ooh, that is cute. I really like that color. It definitely has a radiance to it. It looks really nice over top this foundation. I'm grabbing the Merit Brow 1980 Volumizing Pomade. This is a fresh tube. Oh, how nice. I'm just gonna run that through the brows, kind of flicking them up and outward. I have used this product before when I did a full face of Merit products, and it's so lovely. I mean, look at the difference. Crazy. This is almost a one and done product for me. I just like to fill in the tails a bit. I'm gonna grab this little Milk Makeup contour stick in the shade Toasted, and I'm just gonna draw it straight on the face where I want to contour. And I'm gonna run that under the chin as well, and just a tiny bit right up here. I don't really contour my nose. I don't know why. I feel like it just doesn't look good on me. I've used this Milk contour stick a couple times and it blends out really fast, like you just saw. She's looking cute. I actually think I could use more blush. I know, nothing new here. I'm definitely gonna put on too much and then be like, oh, I shouldn't have done that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Okay, I just had that sponge. I just had it in my hand. Just had it. What? Oh, there it is. The reason I'm amping up the blush is mainly because I want to set my entire face and I know that's gonna bring some of this down. Okay, that looks good. I'm gonna grab this Laura Mercier translucent loose setting powder in the Tone Up Rose shade. I love the rose top packaging here. That's really cute. And I'm not gonna make the same mistake I did last time. So we're gonna use a brush that doesn't have blush on it to apply this time and see how well it brightens. Let me scoot you guys in a little bit. Taking that powder, I'm just gonna tap. Wow. Do you see how much brighter this eye is than this eye? Wow, okay. Laura Mercier came to play. I'm gonna take that on top of the lid too. I have way too much on my brush, so I'm just getting rid of it on my nose. That is crazy different. You see how much darkness is like right here versus here? That looks really nice. Yeah, that looks good. It's just that my eye is watering like crazy. It's freaking allergy season. And for me, allergy season is every season. But particularly right now when I get hit with a freaking face full of pollen every time I walk out the door, my eyes are just not happy. Okay, that's better. I'm not gonna take the pink powder all over the face, but it kind of sounds fun. No, maybe not today. I'm gonna use the Laura Mercier blurring powder on the rest of my face. These brushes from LYS are magical. Some of the best, most affordable brushes I've ever used. I mean, I would pay double the price for this brush, hands down at least. They do a great job with their makeup as well, obviously, but the brushes are so good. I'm gonna tap off a lot and just barely grab that portion of my face because I don't want to take everything away. For a blush topper, we're gonna use the iconic London Kiss by the Sun Multi-Use Cheek Glow in So Cheeky. Last time I went way too heavy-handed with this. These are supposed to be like the bronzer product from Bare Minerals, like a bronzing blush combo situation, and they bring the glow. Bringing a little on the eyelid too. That is such a stunning product. I'm grabbing this Kulfi cream eyeshadow in the shade Auburn Aura, and I think I'm just gonna drag it all over the lid. I have no plan here. Not surprising. I really just want like a nice smoky, rosy look today. These get powdery pretty quickly, which I like. I have enough working time. I have not used these before and so far pretty impressed. It's really pretty soft and glittery. Love it, love it, love it. I didn't even blend the other side out. I guess that just looks so good. I'm just taking the brush that I used for that pink tone up powder and I'm just gonna go over the tops of where I put that shadow. And a bit on the edge, just kind of buffing out the edges, but like this doesn't really need a lot of help in doing so. Okay, does that look good? I'd say so. It hasn't creased or anything. It's living up to its claims so far. I think that's a really nice one and done eyeshadow. I am very impressed. I also have this Kulfi Kajal Ultra Precise Berry Toned Liner, and I'm just gonna get the lash line. Not really winging it out, just like a tiny bit, so that I can go underneath the eye and connect them together. That's the perfect shade for this cream eyeshadow we put down. This is my sensitive eye, It does not like anything at all, including me. I like that I can make a completely kind of monochromatic look from that brand because the blush and the eyeliner and the cream eyeshadow all come from the same brand. So obviously they thought that through when making their products, but I just love how easy it is that they all... Okay, I'm gonna skip highlighter since I think that that cheek topper did enough work there. And I'm gonna try on the Fenty Beauty Mascara. Keep setting my mirror on the ground and then forgetting about it. That looks really nice. Oh yeah, 2 coats, looking good. There's still a ton of product on the brush, so I'm just gonna not dip back in and keep going on the other eye. Like, wow. Okay, it really does look like I have falsies on. That's incredible. They're so long and pretty. Wow, nice. Can get a tad clumpy if you aren't careful. As long as you're paying attention to what you're doing, you should be fine. My eyes are way too watery today to put a regular mascara on my lower lash line, so I'm gonna grab Maybelline Lash Sensational Full Fan Effect Waterproof Mascara on my desk. I usually use the CoverGirl one under my eyes, but this one's sitting right in front of me, so why not? I don't like it as much as the Clump Crusher one underneath the eyes. How did I get it on my nose? I totally forgot to finish the tails of my brows. The Merit fills it in so nicely. So I almost didn't need anything. This is the Kosas Brow Pop, by the way. Okay, moving into lips, I have this really fun lippy from NARS, and I have a lip liner that I think will match it. This is Makeup by Mario's Angela lip liner. Yeah, they match really nicely. That's the lip liner, that's the lipstick. And I'm obviously gonna overline it. I love the Makeup by Mario lip liners. They're so good. This is the NARS Power Matte Lipstick in Killer Queen. It's a matte lipstick. Supposed to set down and be transfer proof. It's really comfortable going on. I love the shade. Definitely matches our whole vibe today. It's a tad more rusty than the like berry tones we have going on the eye, but I'm kind of into the combo. Woo, 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 woo. Okay, you guys, here's the finished final look using a lot of the products I picked up from the Sephora sale. I'll have to keep trying this to see how well it works in the future. Since I've only tried it this one time, I'm not really quite sure how I feel yet. I was really impressed by this pink powder from Laura Mercier. The first time I used it incorrectly, but this time I just really saw a huge difference when I applied this, so I'm excited to keep trying this out. All the Kulfi products really impressed me today. They all looked so nice together, especially the eye product. I did not have to set that down and it has not creased or gone anywhere. It just looks super, super nice. I'm really excited to play with the other colors as well. The Fenty Beauty Mascara is impressing me more and more every single day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe and help support me here on YouTube. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye guys. 1000% there's a squirrel in this wall somewhere. Where did I set the eyeshadow though? Rebeka. How do you lose a cream, an open cream eyeshadow? What? Okay, but seriously, where did I put it? Am I like absolutely insane? Now my sensitive eye